So like divergence of V is equal to 0, then we said the vector field is solenoidal or divergenceless. Similarly, for a given vector field, if suppose given a vector field V, if curl V is equal to 0, then such a field is called irrotational or curlless. So calculate, let's quickly do a couple of examples on calculating curl. Calculate curl of VA vector, which is equal to minus yx cap plus xy cap, and another vector field which is equal to xy cap. What is curl of VA equal to? X cap, y cap, z cap, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z is minus y, x, and this is 0. So what do you obtain? So you get 0 minus 0 plus y cap into 0 minus 0 plus z cap into 1 plus 1. So you get 2 into z cap. Similar way, if we do the same for the second vector field, is equal to dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, zero x 0, you get x cap into 0 plus y cap into 0 plus z cap into 1. So you get z cap. So both of them have non-zero curl and it is pointing along the z direction. So again, let's try to calculate curl of the position vector R. The last class we did gradient of the position, magnitude of the position, and we did divergence of R in the earlier example. So now let's try to calculate curl of the vector, position vector R. What is this equal to? What is R vector? Which is x cap plus y cap plus z cap in Cartesian coordinates. So this is x cap into 0 minus 0 plus y cap into 0 minus 0 plus z cap into dou by dou x of y, so which is 0 minus dou by dou y of dou x, which is 0. So what do you get? Curl of R is 0. Since the radial vector is diverging out, it's not curling around the given point. So which is what we expect. So now I will give you 3 vector fields for which you can calculate both divergence as well as curl. Calculate divergence and curl of the following vector fields of the following. VA vector is x square plus x cap plus 3x z square y cap minus 2x z cap. BB vector is xy x cap plus 2y z y cap plus 3zx z cap. The third one, y square x cap plus 2x y plus z square y cap plus 2y z cap. You can calculate the divergence as well as curl. Which is dou by dou x of the first vector field, which is dou by dou x of x square plus dou by dou y of 3x z square plus the minus which is equal to 2x plus 0 minus 2x. So you get divergence as 0. Similarly, for the second example, divergence of VB is equal to dou by dou x of xy plus dou by dou y of 2zy plus dou by dou z of 3zx. So you would obtain y plus 2z plus 3x, correct? So the third vector field, divergence of BC, which is dou by dou x of y square plus dou by dou y of 2xy plus z square plus dou by dou z of 2yz. So this is 0 plus, so you get 2x plus 2y. So the answer is 2 into x plus y. Correct? So now we will try to work out curl for all the three vector fields which are given. It's equal to, for the first one, x cap, y cap, z cap, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, x square, 3x z square, and minus 2x z. What is this equal to? So it is x cap into dou by dou y of this is 0 minus dou by dou z of 3x z square. What is that equal to? 6x z plus y cap into, so dou by dou z of x square, which is 0 minus dou by dou x of this. So what is that equal to? So there is already a negative sign. So you get 2. Do you get 2z? Correct.